Hello friends, today we start to learn Sanskrit grammar. Only for the Sanskrit, how to speak and how to identify the letters like vowels or consonants or anunasik. Anunasik, it means nasal sounds. So let's start this video with some Sanskrit basic when you can speak in Sanskrit also. Okay, so Sanskrit is very genuine and easy language all over the world. We can understand Sanskrit easily with help of English. Okay, now start this video for only the basic concept of Sanskrit letters like consonants, vowels and anunasik. Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. પ્લીઝ મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9th 10th 11th 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય. ઓકે, લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ ધ consonant, vowels and anunasik of Sanskrit. First, all the letters. There are three types of all the letters. It is vowels. How many vowels are there? 13 vowels. Then consonants. How many consonants are there? 33. And the last one is anunasik or nasal sound. Anunasik or nasal sound. Okay. How many? There is 5. So total number is 13 of vowels, 33 consonants and 5 anunasiks. First we introduce vowels. Like vowels which is sound highly and sound from our heart or stomach. It raise from stomach and sound it outside our mouth. But consonants are pronounced from our neck and it come from our mouth. So it takes less time than vowels. It takes less time than vowels. So consonants are low sound and vowels are high sound. And anunasik, which is pronounced from nostrils. So it is called nasal sounds. Okay, now first vowel, number 1 is a. This is called a. In English, we say a. Okay, a is called as a. Second number, a. This means double a. In form of Sanskrit, we are using the standing line with any consonant like ka plus a. So we don't write ka a, we have to write ka. So this is consonant and when a is added we have to put standing line. Third number is rasva e. So this is I. Rasva e, it signs like this. Rasva. Rasva means lower sound. And this is Dirgha E. We have put rave on E. This means double E. And sign is, this type of sign is of Dirgha E. Then U. This is called Rasva U. U. And sign is like this. So here, when we write Ka plus Rasva E, it becomes Ki. Ka plus Dirgha E, it becomes Ki, but sound is like long sound. Now, Ka plus Rasva U, it becomes Ku. Then Dirgha U, double O. Sign is this. Ka plus Dirgha U is Ku. Now, so this is Rasva U, but in this case we have to write this. This is Dirgha U. This is called A. A. It means E. So we have to put matra on this case. Ka plus E becomes K. Sorry, Ka plus A. My mistake. Ka plus A becomes K. Then I. A, E, I. It means double matra. Ka plus I becomes Kai. Then this is called I. O. O. O means one standing line with matra. Ka plus O becomes Ko. Okay. Ka plus O becomes Ko. Then O. A, U, O. One standing line, one double matra. Ka plus O becomes Kau. Okay. Now O, and this sound is O. O and O. Okay. Now means dot. When sometime it is used as AM, sometimes AN, but symbol is dot on the letter. Ka plus becomes come. Okay. Now we are going on the second page. So here 12, it is aha. AH, aha. But signs like visarg, it's called visarg, double dot. And ka plus aha becomes kaha. And last vowel is ru. HRU. Signs like ton, k plus ru becomes crew. K plus ru, it becomes crew. Okay. So these are the vowels